What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Musa Mseleku had experienced a health scare earlier this year in 2025. Musa Mseleku had actually suffered like a minor stroke that he had actually attributed to stress over family matters. And he was actually had expressed gratitude to all of his wives for all of the support that they were showing him during the recovery period. But unfortunately, Mayeni was the only wife who wasn't like showing support to Mseleku during this difficult time for him. So to add matters, Mayeni had actually like refused to attend a family meeting that was organized by Macele to see how they can attend to this issue of Mseleku being hospitalized. Mayeni completely refused to go to that meeting, and it actually like reportedly warned the younger wife, that is Samke, to go and date someone younger, somebody of her age, following Musa Mseleku's health scare. So what we can see here is that Mayeni probably does not have anything against Musa Mseleku, but she is probably not happy about the arrival of the fifth wife. And she is like trying to do her best to ensure that the fifth wife goes away, and so that she can remain behind with Musa Mseleku herself. So the age gap between Samke and Musa Mseleku is like 25 years. And Mayeni is trying to use that as leverage to separate Musa Mseleku from the fifth wife. But we all know that at this point in time, that is not going to succeed. Mayeni definitely has to find a way to accommodate the fifth wife and move forward with life. Also, Mayeni had actually like told Musa Mseleku that, will you be able to keep up with all of these young wives? So now, connecting the dots, we can all see that Mayeni is definitely not happy with the arrival of the fifth wife, and she is doing the best that she can to try and separate Musa from the fifth wife.